Yes, students, today I'm going to revise chapter from history, tribes, nomads and settled communities. In this term, in final term, you are having only 2 chapters of history, this one and devotional part. And on Saturday, you are having your first revision test. And in that, you are having, you have to learn 2 chapters of history and then of geography. So prepare these chapters thoroughly. Today I'm going to revise this chapter, listen and learn. First is, in the previous chapters you have read about life in cities and towns. But in this chapter you will read about the life beyond the cities. In forested areas, how people lived. Tribal people lived in forested areas. No doubt tribal people live in forested areas. But we are reading about them, reading about 13th to 16th century period in this chapter. So tribal communities who lived in forest areas, different tribal communities lived in different parts of the subcontinent. So first of all, we will start from our state, Punjab. In Punjab, Khokhars lived in 13th and 14th century. It was the important tribal community of Punjab. Then Gakhar became popular in Punjab. So about two tribal communities you have to learn who lived in Punjab, Khokhar and Gakhar. Okay, Khokhar and Gakhar. In paper you will get 1 mark questions also, na? So please learn different tribal communities who lived in different parts of our of the subcontinent. So Khokhar and Gakhar. So next is, first of all we will read about different parts. पहले मैंने बोला पंजाब, Gakhar and Khokhar and Gakhar. Then is about northwest. Now come to northwest side. Northwest side पे Bloches. Bloches lived in northwest side. And you know Kamal Khan Gakhar in Punjab. Kamal Khan Gakhar was the chief of Gakhar tribal community. Kamal Khan Gakhar, learn his name. He was the chief of Gakhar tribal community in Punjab. Learn his name, students. Kamal Khan Gakhar. He was the chief of Gakhar tribal community in Punjab. And he was made Mansabdar. इसे Mansabdar बना दिया Emperor Akbar ने. Means power में आ गया ये. Gakhar, Kamal Khan Gakhar, he was tribal chief. And from tribal chief he became Mansabdar. ठीक है? तो in northwest, Bloches, it was a tribal community of northwest of subcontinent. Then come towards North India, towards Himalayas. अब हिमालयास में देखो शेफर्ड एंड गद्दीज. अभी भी हम पूछे ना तो गद्दीज हिमाचल प्रदेश की ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी है. ठीक है, शेफर्ड एंड गद्दीज ऑफ हिमालयास, ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी ऑफ हिमालयास. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट पंजाब, देन अबाउट नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया, नॉर्थ वेस्ट इंडिया की ब्लोचेस, देन अबाउट नॉर्थ इंडिया इन हिमालयास. इन हिमालयास आई हैव टोल्ड यू अबाउट शेफर्ड एंड गद्दीज. नेक्स्ट अब आ जाओ नॉर्थ ईस्ट. नॉर्थ ईस्ट में आपने पढ़ा भी है एहोम्स. यू हैव रेड इन डिटेल असम की ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी एहोम्स एंड नागाज. नागालैंड है ना वहां पे स्टेट. नागाज एंड एहोम्स. ठीक है, नागाज एंड एहोम्स ऑफ नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न लिव्ड इन नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द सब कॉन्टिनेंट. नेक्स्ट कम टू वर्ड्स ओडिशा एंड बंगाल. ओडिशा एंड बंगाल की ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज आपने लर्न रखनी है. मुंडा ट्राइब एंड संथल ट्राइब. मुंडा एंड संथल ट्राइबल पीपल लिव्ड इन ओडिशा एंड बंगाल. मुंडा एंड संथल lived in Odisha and Bengal. So these were the different tribal communities. I have told you, learn these. Then these tribal communities were divided into smaller clans. These tribal communities किसमें बटी हुई थी ये? Clans में. Now what's clan? Small families or household having common ancestors. Small families or households having common ancestors. What do you mean by clan? Small families or household having common ancestors. So these tribal communities were divided into clans. Clans में बटी हुई थी ये tribal communities. Next, nomadic tribal communities. ये जो tribal communities थी, exchanged goods with agriculturist, pastoralist, also settled agriculturists. Nomadic tribal communities, nomadic pastoralist, exchanged goods with settled agriculturist. अब कौन सी गुड्स वो एक्सचेंज करते होंगे? नोमैडिक, वूल, घी, मिल्क, क्योंकि ये नोमैडिक थे एंड मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ दीज पीपल वाज कैटल रियरिंग. They gave wool, ghee, milk to settled agriculturists, and in return they got utensils, clothes, food grains. So nomadic tribal communities exchanged various goods with settled agriculturists. कौन सी गुड्स ये देते थे? वूल, मिल्क एंड घी. And in return they got, settled agriculturists gave them, आप कह सकते हो grains, food grains, utensils and clothes. Next, Banjaras. Banjaras is another tribal community of Rajasthan. अगर आपको पूछा जाए who are Banjaras, tribal community of Rajasthan, ठीक है? Tribal community of Rajasthan, and they played great role. In those days, they played great role in the economy of the subcontinent. Banjaras were tribal people of tribal community. They played great role in the economy of the subcontinent. Alauddin Khalji appointed Banjaras, hired Banjaras. Alauddin Khalji ने Banjaras को hire किया हुआ था to transport food grains to the city markets. Alauddin Khalji hired Banjaras to transport food grains to the city markets. In his memories, Mughal Emperor Jahangir wrote, अब उसने क्या लिखा जहांगीर ने? He wrote that these Banjaras carried food grains to the different parts of towns through their bullocks, and they carried food grains for Mughal army. जहांगीर ने अपनी मेमोरीज में मेंशन किया, was जहांगीर Mughal emperor, son of Akbar. He mentioned in his memory, Jahangir ने लिखा that these Banjaras, they transported food grains to the city market, to the different parts of towns through their bullocks, and they transported food grains for Mughal army. So these Banjaras were given the name of trader nomads. Now, who were known as trader nomads? Banjaras. Why Banjaras were known as trader nomads? Not only nomadic people, they were known as trader. Who were nomad? कौन होते हैं nomadic people? Nomads means wanderer. Word nomad means wanderer. जो टिक के नहीं बैठते, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह shift. Wanderer. So these people wandered from one place to another in search of food and shelter. कौन होते हैं nomadic people? Wanderers who wandered from one place to another in search of food and shelter. तो ये nomadic people होते थे. But Banjaras, they came to be known as trader nomads. Why they were known as trader nomads? Because they played great role in economy of the subcontinent. क्योंकि वो transport करते थे, क्या transport करते थे? Food grains to the city markets. Who hired them? Alauddin Khalji. And who mentioned about them in his memories? Mughal Emperor Jahangir. He wrote that these Banjaras transported food grains for the Mughal army. So learn it, students. Next is, अब इसके बाद बंजारास को लर्न करने के बाद आप आ जाओगे Gonds. Gonds. You have read about Gonds. Gonds lived in Gondwana region. Gonds lived in Gondwana region. अब गोंडवाना रीजन कौन कौन से स्टेट्स को लेके बना? मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, महाराष्ट्र एंड लिसन अगेन, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, महाराष्ट्र, आंध्र प्रदेश। तो ये 4 स्टेट्स लर्न रखनी है गोंडवाना रीजन की। 4 स्टेट्स, विच वर द 4 स्टेट्स फॉर्म्ड गोंडवाना रीजन? मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, छत्तीसगढ़, आंध्र प्रदेश। ठीक है, गोंड्स लिव्ड इन गोंडवाना रीजन। अब गोंडवाना रीजन, गोंडवाना मीन्स कंट्री इनहैबिटेड बाय गोंड्स। जैसे मैं बोलूं वी आर द इनहैबिटेंट्स ऑफ इंडिया, तो इंडिया इज अ, नो व्हाट्स इंडिया? इंडिया इज अ कंट्री वेयर इंडियन पीपल लिव। सेम एज मैंने बोला आपको गोंडवाना, गोंडवाना मीन्स अ कंट्री inhabited by Gonds. India is a country inhabited by Indians. Gondwana is a country inhabited by Gonds. Now, what do you mean by Gondwana? Gondwana is a country inhabited by Gonds. It's a country inhabited by Gonds. अब गोंडवाना रीजन जो था ना, that was, आप कह सकते हो बहुत पावरफुल थे ये गोंड ट्राइब्स जो थे, they were very powerful and आप इसको कह सकते हो दे वर डिवाइडेड इनटू वेरियस क्लैंस, ये भी क्लैंस में बटे हुए थे। ठीक है, अब दे फॉलोड शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन। व्हाट वाज द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द गोंड्स? शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन वाज द मेन ऑक्यूपेशन ऑफ द गोंड्स। नाउ व्हाट इज शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन? स्लैश एंड बर्न एग्रीकल्चर, स्वीडन एग्रीकल्चर इज नोन एज शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन। इन दिस, these people, these tribal people, Gond people, divided the forest into plots. They burnt the first plot, sow the seeds in the ashes, and lived in that plot till the soil lost its fertility. Then they shifted to next plot, and in this way they did their cultivation rotation wise. Then they shifted to next plot. So this is known as shifting cultivation, and Gonds, for main occupation of the Gonds was shifting cultivation. अगर मैं पूछूं who were known as trader nomads, Banjaras. Shifting cultivation was the main occupation of these tribal people, Gonds. Gonds lived in Gondwana region. What do you mean by Gondwana? It's a country inhabited by Gonds. Gondwana regions की states बताओ? महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश एंड छत्तीसगढ़। तो ऐसे लर्न रखो इनको प्लीज, अब इनको भूलना नहीं। ठीक है, तो अब आपने बताना है अकबरनामा में मेंशन्ड है दैट ये जो गोंड्स थे ना, गोंड किंगडम गड़ा कटंगा हैड 70,000 villages. How many villages? 70,000 villages were there in Gada Katanga, rich state of Gondwana region. Rich city of Gondwana region, richest state of Gondwana region कौन सी है? गड़ा कटंगा। ठीक है, अब Gonds were divided into clans. मैंने पहले ही बोला ये लोग भी clans में बटे हुए थे, and these were further divided into these clans, further divided into 84 villages, जिसे कहते हैं 84, and 84 was further divided into barhods. बरहोट्स मीन 12 villages in each. हर एक एक बरहोट में कितने villages? 12. Gonds were divided into clans, and clans were divided into 84 villages known as 84. 84 was further divided into barhot. Barhot means 12 villages in each. बरहोट में अगर पूछा जाए how many villages were there in one बरहोट? 12 villages. 84 villages, 84 means 84 villages. Clans were divided into 84 villages. कहाँ पे mentioned है? There were 70,000 villages in गड़ा कटंगा, अकबरनामा. It was mentioned in अकबरनामा. Next, अब आ जाओ आप, these ये जो Gonds थे ना, they gave grants to Brahmins. ब्राह्मणों को grants देते थे, and Gonds चीफ जो थे ना, दे बिकेम पावरफुल, एज्यूम्ड द, अब ये पावरफुल होते चले गए एंड बिकेम, इन्होंने गॉन्ड्स चीफ्स रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज राजपूत्स। क्या बनना शुरू हो गई है? राजपूत्स। अमन दास एज्यूम्ड द टाइटल, गड़ा कटंगा का रूलर था अमन दास, he assumed the title of Sangram Shah. Who assumed the title of Sangram Shah? Aman Das. Aman Das married Rajput Princess Durgavati. Gond chiefs जो थे पावरफुल होते चले गए, they were recognized as Rajputs. Aman Das, Gond chief, Gond Raja of Gadakatanga, assumed the title of Sangram Shah, and he married Rajput princess because now Gonds they were recognized as Rajputs. अब ये ट्राइबल नहीं रहे थे, अब ये पावरफुल हो गए और ये राजपूत रिकॉग्नाइज होना शुरू हो गए. And Aman Das married Rajput princess Durgavati. After the death of Aman Das, Durgavati looked after the administration and she ruled over Gadakatanga for her son who was at that time only of 5 years. उसका बेटा तब 5 years का था तो उसके लिए उसने वहां पे रूल किया. नेक्स्ट, बेटे का नाम बीर नारायण. Who was the son of Durgavati? Beer Narayan. Beer Narayan was the son of Durgavati, and Durgavati ruled for her son. But Durgavati was defeated by Mughal chief Asaf Khan. Durgavati preferred to die after her defeat than to surrender to Mughal forces. After her defeat, she preferred to die. She committed suicide than to surrender to Mughal forces. Her son also died after some time while fighting. So Mughal, they got control over Gadakatanga. That was the richest part of Gondwana. Mughals got huge treasury from Gadakatanga, richest province tha na. So Mughals got huge treasury from Gadakatanga. They gave the rest of, they kept with them some parts of Gadakatanga, and they gave the rest of the part of Gadakatanga to the uncle of Beer Narayan, Narayan Shah. Narayan Shah ko Chandar Shah. They gave some part of Gadakatanga to Chandar Shah. Who was Chandar Shah? Uncle of Beer Narayan. Mughals kept some of the part of Gadakatanga with them. They got huge treasury from Gadakatanga. Then they gave some of the parts of Gadakatanga to Chandar Shah. Now, who was Chandar Shah? Chandar Shah was uncle of Beer Narayan. It means brother of Aman Das. तो उन्होंने उसको दे दिया, बीर नारायण को दे दिया. बीर नारायण also became weak. He could not control over Gadakatanga and he also became weak. So this is about different tribal communities who lived in different parts. So today, students, you have to read about them. For 1 mark questions, you have to learn these tribal communities, in which part they live, what do you mean by clan, Gadakatanga, 84 villages, 70,000 villages mentioned in Akbarnama, who were known as trader nomads, who were useful for economy, who played great role in the economy of subcontinent. Again, Banjaras, how they played great role in the economy of subcontinent. Now you can write, because they carried food grains to the city markets. They were hired by Alauddin Khalji, and Alauddin Khalji used them to transport food grains to the city markets. And आप कह सकते हो, in memories of Jahangir, it was written that they transported food grains for Mughal army also. So these were known as trader nomads. ठीक है. तो अगर आपको पूछे richest province of Gondwana, Gadakatanga. Gadakatanga की queen का नाम बताओ. Durgavati. Gadakatanga का ruler Aman Das. Aman Das died. After his death, who controlled the Gadakatanga? Durgavati, for his minor son. Then he was only 5 years old. And Durgavati also died. Why Durgavati died? Because she was defeated by Asaf Khan. Who was Asaf Khan? Mughal chief. Durgavati was defeated by him, and she committed suicide because she didn't want to surrender to Mughal forces, surrender herself to Mughal forces. She committed suicide. So Mughals got huge treasury from Gadakatanga, and they kept some areas of Gadakatanga with them, and they gave rest of the part to किसको दे दिया उन्होंने बाकी पार्ट? चंदर शाह। हु वाज चंदर शाह? अंकल ऑफ बी नारायण। तो आज आपने सिर्फ इतना लर्न करना है, डिफरेंट ट्राइबल कम्युनिटीज ऑफ डिफरेंट पार्ट्स फॉर 1 मार्क क्वेश्चंस। ओके, टेक रीडिंग, क्योंकि आपको भी पता है 1 मार्क एंड एमसीक्यू पेपर में आने हैं। तो हिस्ट्री के 2 ही चैप्टर हैं, तो बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आपको एमसीक्यू की फॉर्म में मिले।